In African culture, the ritual of pouring libation is an essential ceremonial tradition and a way of giving homage to the ancestors. Ancestors are not only respected, but they are invited to participate in the lives of all people. We give them honor by pouring libation. This is a call and response. And so as I give the call, your responsibility is to say, Ashe. In memory of Harriet Tubman, our blood and spiritual ancestor, who chose freedom over enslavement, not only for herself, but for the many, we pour libation. Ashe. In memory of Harriet Tubman, our blood and spiritual ancestor, who saw the needs of the sick and the poor, who opened her home and gave her time for those who were in need. She gave of her time, talent, and treasure for their care and inspired us to do the same. We pour libation.
Ashe.
In memory of Harriet Tubman Davis, our blood and spiritual ancestor, who was anointed by God to be a light of courage and strength in the face of overwhelming obstacles. Queen Mother Harriet left us a legacy of faithfulness and love that God is able to guide our journey and our strength forward to keep us going. We pour libation.
Ashe.
In the memory of Harriet Tubman, our blood and spiritual ancestor, who inspired a generation of people throughout the world to stand up and to model trust, truth, justice, and righteousness against all unfairness and all oppression, we pour libation.
Ashe.
In memory of Harriet Tubman Davis, our blood and spiritual ancestor, we pledge to continue a remembrance of her passionate love for all people and to emulate her spirit. We pour libation.
Ashe.
Ashe. Ashe. Ashe. Ashe. Amen.
Amen.